A cheat meal will not help you lose weight, but this dessert will. So if you are looking for an idea for a nice dessert that will not make you gain weight, it's absolutely delicious, you are in the right place. So today I would love to show you how to make ice cream, protein ice cream. What I love about this recipe is totally keto friendly and will definitely satisfy sweet cravings while losing weight. Okay, so let me show you what we need to make this deliciousness. We need 2 cups of ice cube. We need a cup of unsweetened coconut milk or almond milk. And you know what? If you are on carnivore diet, you can also make this delicious dessert. Instead of milk, you can use just plain water with some protein powder, and yeah, it's ready. What else do we need? You can use whey protein or egg white powders for anyone who is dairy free. I need to tell you something about this product. You know, I tested so many egg white protein, and somehow these guys, this brand just stole my heart. They have so many flavors and I enjoy everyone. They have vanilla, they have strawberry is amazing, chocolate. So yeah, I will post the link below the video if you want to get this product. But you can get any other egg white protein or whey protein. Just make sure the product has clean ingredients, so will not kick you out of ketosis, and doesn't have extra added sugar. So next, what we need: collagen. We need just 1 scoop. This brand is also very nice. Collagen is great for our nails, skin, hair, for our joints. So yeah, absolutely we can use it in this recipe. And the last things what we need, we can add extra sweetener. I love to use few drops of stevia glycinate. If you use unflavored protein powder, you can add frozen berries like strawberries, blackberry, raspberries, or blueberries. Just a little bit for the taste. But today, because of I have vanilla flavor, I am not going to add any extra fruits. All right, so let's get started. Wow, it smells amazing. Let me do a taste. I don't even need extra sweetener. Look at how much ice cream do you have, and this ice cream is only 205 calories for this amount of food. But you know the 205 calories is only for the ingredients I use. So keep in mind, if you want to add other ingredients, this will be more caloric. This, what I just show you, it is 205. Woo! I love this recipe because first of all it's super delicious, but it's also very satisfying without all this craving for food that are not serving you, they are not good for us. So if you like my recipe, check the description below. I will provide all the ingredients, and thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please let me know what protein powder you use in your ice cream or your shakes or your smoothies. So I am so happy to share with you this nice recipe. I wish you good luck with your weight loss journey, and please subscribe to my channel if you didn't already. See you in the next one. Bye!